Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to go over the do's and don'ts of flower drying. This is going to be a two-part video. The first part is going to be flower drying. Part 2 will be casting them in epoxy resin. We're going to take your flower and cut it about an inch down the stem. Make sure you get a container that's going to fit the flower completely. The powder I used was Activa Flower Drying Art Silica Gel. I'll have links in the description below for everything that I used in the video today. Start by filling your container a little bit so when you put the flower in there, it's got something to stick into. Place your flower in your container, making sure not to have the petals touch any of the sides. As you can see here, mine touched the sides. Don't do that. Once your flower's in, start filling in your container with the silica gel and go all the way around. Try not to get the silica gel on top of the flower and inside the petals, but pour it around the sides so it supports the flower itself. Once the flower is supported, start gently pouring in the silica gel on top of the petals and inside the flower. Fill it all the way up, make sure none of the petals are showing. Activa has instructions saying to put the microwave at 50% power and microwave it in 1 minute increments. If you guys are getting any value from this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone else that you might think will find value out of this video. When you're done microwaving, take it out and pour the silica gel into another container. If I did it again, I would use a plastic container because that glass got really hot. Not to mention the powder and the flower itself as well. I got these results with about 1.5 minutes microwaving, again in a 1 minute increment. Remember, this is a two-part video. In our next video, we're going to preserve the flowers in an epoxy resin. So this is what I got after 1.5 minutes microwaving. Again, a minute, waited a little bit, and then microwaved it again for another 30 seconds. So hope you guys enjoyed and got some type of value out of this video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will definitely answer any of the questions you guys have. And don't forget to like and subscribe.